Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create column charts and bar charts. Column charts and bar charts are most frequently used charts in MS Excel. These are used to compare data across categories. Column charts comprises of vertical rectangles and are used to compare categories of different kinds. Or even it is also used for one category and to compare the different time series data. Bar charts are similar to column charts, but instead of following vertical format, it follows horizontal formats. These are of three types. First one is cluster column or cluster bar charts. Second one is stack column and stack bar charts. And third one is 100% stack column or stack bar charts. Okay. So let us create. So before creating, what we need to do, we have to select the data. Okay. For which we want to create the charts. So suppose for 4 months we are going to create. We can select this, then insert we have here. You can see column charts. We have 2D column charts. This is also stacked column charts. We have this. Or we may also go here recommended charts. This is also all chart column. We have also bar, you can see. Let us see the column. Under column, we have here clustered column charts. Okay, let us have it. So this is cluster column charts for the data that we have selected. So there are different genre of movie like comedy, thriller, documentary, and romance. We have this comedy represented by blue color and thriller by orange, and this is documentary by gray, and this is by yellow. Okay, these are the four colors, and these are the months. For particular months, these four genres of movie we are getting. Okay, but when we want to see the total picture in one go, these cluster columns are not useful. That means this cluster column charts doesn't serve the purpose. We can opt for stacked column charts. Okay. So the same data also we will see. Okay. We can select this data once again. Insert recommended charts, all charts. This is column. This is the stacked. What does it mean? This stacked column charts, what happens, you can see here, this column charts. This January month, take for example, January, this blue color that is comedy is up to 50,000. You can see this is the data, 50,000. But here for the month of, it is around how much? It is around 86, 87,000. Why this is happening? This stacked column charts provides us the data in one go. Okay, that means all this data, that means for the month of January, this comedy, thriller, documentary, and romance are stacked top of each other. You see, this is comedy, and this is thriller, this is documentary, and this is romance. All these are stacked on each other. Okay, so this provides the total pictures. Okay, in one go. For the month of January, we are getting the total ticket sales. It is close to, it is around 88,000 if you see. Okay, similarly for the month of February, we are getting this. Okay, it is also 89,000. It is slightly, it is more. We have this value, and let us see. Okay, what we can do, we chart design, we can add chart elements, data labels. You can see these are the individual data labels we are getting. Okay, this is what is happening. So basically the difference between column charts and stacked column charts is that we are getting here the data in separate or different columns, whereas here we are getting the data stacked top of each others. and we are getting the totality. Totality, it seems it is close to 88, whereas you can see y-axis here it is 60,000, where it is around 80 or it is 90,000. It is coming close to 90,000. Okay, this is the difference. So then we can also see 100% cluster column charts. Let us select the data. Okay, then insert all charts. So this is 100%. You can see. So this reflects. These are called data labels. Okay, data elements. These are January, February, March, April. You see, this in y-axis we are not getting the values. We are here getting the values in column charts, but in a 100% column charts we are not getting the values. Rather, we are getting the percentage. Okay. Here you can see everything is 100%. All the bars, if you see totality, total picture of the bar is 100%. Unlike the stacked bar chart, this is 100% stacked bar charts. Okay. What difference it makes basically? In y-axis, if you see, here we have the values, but here we have the percentage. But you can see this is 49,000. This is 49,000 for comedy. How much it is? 47,000. It is 40,000. It is 37,000. Okay, it is also coming. Let us see. Let us put the data label. Data label. You can see the data label. Here it is reflecting. Okay, this is 14,000. This is 14,000. 11,000. You see there is no significant difference. Okay, if you see the totality, this can vary, but these columns are looking very close to it. You see this is 12,000. These are very similar. It is looking like this. Okay, this is called stacked column charts. Here what is happening, total value, if you see for the month of February, ticket sale for the month of for the month of February, for different genres like comedy, thriller, documentary and romance, the total has been taken as 100%. And that doesn't mean for January, February, March and April the ticket sales are equal. It is not equal. You can see these are not equal. These are different. But the totality for each month has been taken as 100% here. This is the difference. Okay. So similarly, let us see the bar charts. We can also select this, insert, then recommended charts, all charts, bar charts. You can see there is no difference between this chart and this chart except its format. This is in vertical format and this is in horizontal format. You can also add data label by going to chart design, add elements and data label, that is at the center. You can. Okay, and let us see also, you can also convert this to different charts. Like you can select the charts, then go to insert, recommended, all charts, bar charts. This is the stacked. You can see this is the stack one. So this has been converted into stacked one. You can see this is coming. This is coming stacked, and you can also convert this into. You can convert this into 100% stacked. 100% stacked. You can see this is the percentage. This has been taken as a percentage. 0 to 20, 40, 60. Difference is 20. It has taken. Okay. So depending on the requirement, depending on the questions being asked, we can create data. Oh, we can create the chart. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.